Today on Mom's Dinner, I'm going to show you how to make the best orange margarita. You're going to start with a cocktail shaker filled about a third of the way with ice. Then you're going to use either a Reposado, Añejo, or silver tequila. For this cocktail, I personally prefer either a Reposado or Añejo. Then add your fresh squeezed orange juice, a little fresh squeezed lime juice, and then you're going to add triple sec. In this case, I like to use a Cointreau. You're going to add just a couple dashes of orange bitters, which just adds a really nice, complex orange flavor to your cocktail. Give everything a really good shake. And then you're going to prep your cocktail glass. So run an orange around half of the rim of your glass and then dip it right into some kosher salt. You want to make sure you use kosher salt and not iodized table salt. Fill your glass with crushed ice. And then strain your orange margarita right over the ice. Garnish it with an orange wedge, and that's it. Cheers! You can find the link to the full recipe in the description box below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.